Men and youths of the 7 kindreds that make up Ogwari village in Nsugbe came out in their numbers to elect Pastor Achuwa Ifejika as the national chairman of the village. The election, which followed the expiration of the tenure of the present executive, was conducted through option A4 at the village square. Amaka Chibuzokoye has details.
The election was conducted in the presence of the eldest man in the village, Barrister Romanus Etuke, represented by Obi Patrick Abata. The new administration will pilot the affairs of the village for the next 4 years. Others elected into various offices were Mr. Osita Obalom as Vice Chairman, Pastor Nnamdi Okoye as Financial Secretary, Tochukwu Nwanebo as Secretary, and Uchenna Mbamale as Assistant Secretary. Chukwunonso Okafor was elected the Treasurer, Elias Obiago as Public Relations Officer, and Ifeanyi Obiekwe as Provost. Speaking after the election, the eldest man of the village, Barrister Etuke, said the election is a welcome development as they needed a breath of fresh air in the community, which will help to restoring peace, brotherliness, and oneness. He harped on the need for youths to stop selling communal lands, which only cause disharmony and conflict. On his part, another elder in the village, Mr. Ikebali Ezazu, thanked God for the success of the election and asked the new administration to work according to the expectations demanded for their new office. On his part, Mr. Emmanuel Odibo cautioned against division and advancing selfish interests, pointing out that dialogue, forgiveness, and understanding are the attributes that will make them stand strong and achieve their mandate. The outgoing chairman of the village, Mr. Oke Dibwa, lamented that the village has lost valuable things to land grabbers and others who are using their high positions to intimidate others, advising Pastor Ifejika-led administration to fight tooth and nail to ensure they recover all they lost. In an accepted speech, the new national chairman of Ogwari village in Nsugbe, Pastor Ifejika, promised that they will rewrite the story of the village by sending 7 of its youths from each of the kindreds abroad, modernize Oye Market Abata Nsugbe, and address the issues of Udoka Estate Abata Nsugbe. He said they will tackle those who sell communal lands as they will invite the government to look into the case.
I have told my people that in 6 months' time after this election, I'm going to send about 7 of our youth outside the country. We have Oyabata market, which needs to be built, the modern market. I have also told them that we are going to build a market.
Masquerading and other side attractions were the highlights of the election. From Ogwari, Nsugbe, I am Amaka Chibuzokoye for ABS News.